Go.
All right, I just got my Zox package today. I ordered 3 wristbands, straps they call them. So let's see what they look like. This packaging is very unique. Has their logo on the front, comes in this little clear package with a very beautiful picture there. Excuse the dogs. So each bracelet comes in these little packs. I have no idea what to expect, but these seem really neat. Each one comes with a card. This one says, "You are the only person you need to be good enough for." And it says, "You are enough." So they're pretty stretchy, reversible. Go ahead and try it on. We'll open the other 2. It's really comfortable. So I got "You Are Enough." This one's so bright. "Fear not." Quote from Nelson Mandela. "I learned that courage was not the absence of fear, but the triumph over it. The brave man is not who does not feel afraid, but he who conquers that fear." That's pretty neat. This one's just as colorful. "Fear not." The last one I have called "Let It Be." That one's cool because it's like black and white on one side, super colorful on the other. Well, I'm excited to see what else they can come up with and design. And these are really neat. Great, makes great gifts.